Welcome to Geeking Out with Shad. Well, I'm here at the dealership, just trying to warm my car up. What's really weird is I think the car just came from indoors, so the car is warm, and so I have the heat on to clear the windows, but since it's warm in here, it's not really blowing, so I have to like play with the controls, which I will do in a moment. I don't want to do it right now because it'll be too loud for the video. But I'm picking up my car here at the dealership after they fixed the camera module. I did ask where it was because I was curious to know what they had to take apart, and apparently it's the back of the car near the bumper, under the bumper, or just inside. I don't know. He just kind of said it was back there. So that's cool in the sense that at least my dash didn't have to be all taken apart, because that was what I was kind of worried about. So I'm hoping that fixes the problem. I mean, if I do it right now and put the car in reverse, you know, the camera comes on. It's kind of hard to see in the video, huh? But yeah, it works fine. You know, all my options work here. And I can go, what's this one? This is the two side mirror ones. I can turn off the above view, so on and so forth. Go to the rear of the car and the front of the car. Pretty cool. So now I have to remember where I had it, but you know, it works. You can even turn off the lines, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, I'm just hoping that it doesn't glitch out anymore. And if that is solid, then everything in this car has been perfect. And it took less than 48 hours, considering the part was in Michigan, right, for them to fix my car, which is pretty wild. I mean, that's impressive service in my opinion, especially in the day and age when supply chain stuff is an issue. So yeah, I'm happy with it so far. Now the test is will it hold, and will it, you know, be actually fixed? Because I've certainly gone through this before where they say they fix something and then it's not fixed. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Appreciate your support for my channel. Please like and subscribe. Peace. Man, it gets dark so early. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, and it's almost pitch black outside. Oh well, a few more days. The days will start getting longer.